guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well. First and foremost, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that, as I've been making 3 beauty videos every week. So make sure you have subscribed and also turn the notifications on so that you don't miss out any of my videos. And now coming to today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply false lashes. Now this is a highly requested video, so I'm not going to make this intro any longer. Let's just dive right into the video. Okay, so before I show you the procedure of applying the lashes, let me just show you the ones which I have with me. First one being from Nykaa. This is how it looks like, and they are made of plastic. These are not real hair. Also, they come along with the lash glue, which I've used, of course, so I don't have it right now, but there was a lash glue over here. And the packaging is pretty nice as they keep the lashes really safe. So this is the close-up of the lashes. Next, the first ever lashes I ever bought, and bought them around 2 years back, and only a few months back I stopped using them. But before that, they were like working so well for me. And this is how the packaging looks like. I got these from Amazon. I will link all the lashes and the lash glue and all of that in the description box below. Please check it out. So iski halat bahut kharab hai, obviously 2 years, but these are all like pretty dramatic lashes and made of real hair. I've used them like countless times. There are 3 pairs, and also they're like super affordable, around 300 rupees. So pretty cheap, and 2 years I think totally worth the money. Lastly, the lashes I have are from Miss Clear. These are my recent purchase. First one being this, and second one being this, and the third one are on my eyes. So this one is M13. This one is, I have no clue, but obviously I'll link them in the description box. Again, they're also very affordable. This one is 195 rupees. This one is 160, and the ones which I'm wearing is for rupees 160 again. So they're pretty affordable again, but they're plastic. They are not real hair, and also they don't come along with the glue. And now let me just quickly show you how to apply these lashes. First step is to make sure that they are of your size. So just check what the size of the lash is and then cut them accordingly. They're a little lengthier than I want, so I'm going to cut them a little bit from the corner. Basically cut this. Don't assume that they'll be of the same length. Measure for the other eye as well. Next, I'm going to apply the lash glue. So the one which I love is from Miss Clear. It's super affordable, and also I think great for beginners because the applicator is really nice. And this is in the black variant. There is, I think, white and one transparent variant. You can choose whichever you want. I personally prefer black because I mostly apply black eyeliner, so it kind of merges with the eyeliner. So this is how the wand looks like. Okay, so you just have to apply the glue on the lash line. Just leave it for 10 seconds, not more than that, and then apply directly on your lash line. What I do is I just extend my eye and then place it exactly on my lash line. And that's it, guys. The lash is fixed. It won't move from its place now. It can last the entire day, and I think it looks so pretty. You can see the difference between the 2 eyes. This one looks bigger also, and also more dramatic. So that's the reason I like to apply lashes. And also, in case you've made a mess, maybe the lash glue has spread out, you can always cover it up with the eyeliner, and that's also the reason why I use the black lash glue. Now I'm going to quickly apply the other lash as well. Yeah, both my lashes are fixed, and you can see the instant difference these lashes bring to the eye look. Even if you're not wearing any eye makeup, lashes on its own look really pretty. Also, if you're not comfortable enough with your fingers, you can use the eyelash holder. There is an applicator which will help you fix the lash, so you can use that also. But I have always been using my fingers, so I'm quite comfortable with the fingers. But In case you want to try out that applicator, you can do that as well. I haven't tried it out, so I can't say if it works or not, but you can definitely give it a shot. For a natural look, you can always go for the natural lashes. For an attractive, dramatic, glamorous look, you can go for something like these. And yeah, this was it for today's video. This is how I apply my lashes. If you still have any questions, please feel free to comment in the comment section below. Also, if you enjoyed watching today's video, please hit the like button, subscribe button, and also the bell button just next to the subscribe button, and keep coming back for more videos.